Given that sine theta is square root 2 over 5 and theta is a cube, find the value of cos theta tangent theta 1 minus sine square, sine plus cos, and the cos minus sine over tangent. So to solve this question, what we need to do is we draw a right angle triangle first. Okay, so this is the theta. Sine, we have the dua ka so. So we have the dua ka so. Sine is the O over H. So O and then H, and this is the A. So we have the sine theta. So O is the square root 2 and the H is 5, and the adjacent, so the adjacent will be the square root of 5 square minus the square root 2 square. So we have the 5 square minus 2, that is 23. So it is square root of 23. Okay, so over here we want to find the cos. Cos is the ka. So we have the cos theta is A per H. So square root 23 over 5. And then B, we want to find the tangent theta. Tangent will be the 2. Tangent theta over A. So it is square root 2 over square root 23. So we multiply with 23 here. So it will be square root 46 over 23. Okay, so both multiply inside the square root here. C, we want to find the 1 minus sine square theta. Then it will be 1 minus square root 2 over 5 square. Then it will be the 1 minus 2 over 25. Then it is 23 over 25. And D will be the sine theta plus cos theta. So D is the sine theta plus cos theta. So sine theta is the square root 2 over 5. And then the cos theta is the square root 23 over 5. So this one cannot be simplified. So we can just write as the square root 2 plus square root 23 over 5. Last, we have the cos theta minus sine theta over tangent theta. Okay, so cos theta is this one minus sine theta is this, and the whole thing over the square root 46 over 23. Okay, so all multiply with 5 and then multiply with 23. So we have the 23 square root 23 minus 23 square root 2 divide by the 5 square root 46. Then this one we can simply multiply with the square root 46 to rationalize the denominator. This will be the 23 square, which is the 529. So we have the 529 square root 2 minus the 46 square root 23, and the whole thing divided by the 5 times 46. No, I just write as the 23 square and the 2 times 23. So I can factorize the 23. Then I have the 23 square root 2 minus 2 square root 23, and the whole thing divided by the 5 times 46. So 1, 2. This is 10. Okay, so this one will be the 23 square root 2 minus 2 square root 23, and the whole thing over 10. Okay, so over here, this one, we have the 23 square root 33 multiplied with the square root 46. So the square root 46 is actually the square root 2 times 23. So it will become 23 square root 23 square times 2. So it will be the 23 square root 2. As well as this one, we have the 23 square root 2. So 23 square root 2 multiplied with the square root 2 here, square root 46 here. Then this one is 22 square root 2 times the square root 2 times 23. So it's 23 square root 2 square, and then square root 22. So it's 23 times 2 square root 23. If you cannot do this way, then you can just use the calculator lah. So we have the 23 square root 23 multiplied with the square root 46, then square root 46, then it is, well, and this is 23 square times square root 2, same. Okay, so we have the 23 square root 2 multiplied with the square root of 46. It will be the 46 square root 23. Yes, okay, correct. So for this question, it's not test you the triangle only, it's also test your basic of surd. Okay.